Hi everyone, it's Kathie Ryan here in Bundaberg, Queensland, and this is a painting I just did. I dropped the paint from a great height. You'll probably see that one on YouTube. I've called it Mystic Mountain, and it's I'm quite taken with it. It's not dry yet, and I'm just picking off stuff from this cup. What I'm going to do is just pour a dirty cup with the leftover colours from this painting. So it's turquoise, white, orange and black. Oh, and is there any left? And let me see, some cyan blue. I'll just see if I can get a skerrick out of that. I don't know. Oh yeah, there's a little bit coming out. But that's just about finished. And I'm going to drop it from a great height again, but onto an LP record, because I think something like that would make a really nice clock. And so I just thought, this is what I'm going to do. What else do you do on a Saturday afternoon? Too early to put dinner on, too late for lunch. And I'm just pouring off my cups. And it's, why do I want to do this? It's quite windy outside, and I was just thinking that with the wind and that on this one, it made some really nice patterns, and I think that's enough. All right, so that's pretty as, and I'm going to just take you outside and set it up so that you can see what I'm going to do. Okay, that little round blue thing down there is an LP record, 33 1/3. So you can see I'm about 3 metres, give or take, off the ground here, up on the first floor landing. And I have my cup, can you see? Yep, there you go, of paint. And I'm going to aim at that, and I'm hoping to hit it. So let's see. There goes the wind taking most of it, but it has had pretty significant paint splots, so I'll just switch you off, take you inside, and then I'll go get it and we'll have a look. So here we go, and I've got it, and it's looking really good, and there's little wiggly bits here. That's where the wind took the scraggy bits, but I am going to tilt it. I really like it, but I think it needs to be stretched out a bit more. And I do have a tad more here of what I tipped out before. So I may as well just put it on as well. And see if we can't. I might need to just have some more black and white and turquoise, I think. Just to run around on. Scrape it out. Right. It's a really good way to get an interesting pattern going, is throw it off a great height. Oops, come off. And round she goes. Some of that back on. As you can see, it's really pretty. The recipes for the paints and pouring medium are below the video under show more, along with a link to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming. And come on, down you come. I can see where it hasn't quite made the grade. Okay, so now it's covered. But I like that black up the top. So I'm going to bring that down a bit. If it wants to, that is. Okay, that'll do it. It's really, really pretty. So you go there, you come back over here. Okay, I'll just move those because I'm going to just get the torch, and that's really pretty. I like that a lot. Alright, so I'll just rinse my hands off and then I'm going to torch it. And that's that. Whoa, how pretty. Very pretty indeed. Alright, so I'm going to bring you down to have a look, and if you haven't already subscribed, please do. Click the little bell and you'll be notified then as I put up more videos into YouTube. Please give this one the thumbs up. I do appreciate it when people give them the thumbs up. It helps YouTube to place the videos. They work on algorithms. Okay, so this is this one, and I think it's lovely. And there's a lot of little cells, itty bitty ones. They'll probably grow as in another hour seal on the blue there. Up that centerpiece. Yes, very pretty indeed. Thank you very much for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed, and I'll catch you later in the next one. Bye.